Friends, chivalry is long dead. If you are giving her free meals, offering her free drinks, complimenting her with the hope that she will give you her love someday, you've got it all wrong. Every time you take her for free meals, bring her free gifts and free flowers, pedestalize her, she takes you for granted. If you want these women, these girls to find you any attractive, never spend even a single penny on them unless they earn it from you. Stop spending money on these girls because you are doing it out of your love to express your feeling to them. Nevertheless, they are taking you as some fool. You are loving them from inside, they are laughing on you from inside. Friends, things have changed with time. These days, women are free, independent, and are safe. They no longer need to be scared of being with men. Obviously, because men are no more violent. They have been taught to respect women and to be a gentleman. And women know this very well. She knows if I cut all contact with this man, after being with him for a while, he won't come after me to hurt me. And this change is working in favor of them. This change is working for them. Women are making full use of this. They have number of men chasing them, making them feel special by doing all those different things. Friends, women take attraction in a totally different way than what you have been taught growing up. They don't love men who love them. They love men who love themselves. They don't love men who value them. They love men who value themselves. They never go for chivalrous men. They go for men who are aloof, busy, and indifferent. A man who is a player. A man who is a little asshole. Guys who act a little assholish stand better chance with women than those who play safe. If you can't irritate her, pull her legs, make her angry, belittle her, and make her fear you, you can never generate any interest in her. Friends, a woman always like to date up. When you start faking being too nice with her and start doing all flattery, it first makes you stand among all the other beta orbiters who are trying hard to get her. Second, it gives her a feeling that she is superior to you and consequently she loses her interest in you. However, when you stay real and don't try to pretend to be a fake nice guy, she notices you. When you chase her, she takes you for granted. But when you ignore her, she starts noticing you. You've been told that the guy has to put work to earn a woman, but in reality, it's totally opposite of it. You need to make her work for you. She won't stick to you if you put work to get her or keep her. She will stick to you if you put work on yourself to improve your own life. And when she will see you growing, improving, and enjoying your life, she will develop interest for you. Friends, when a woman knows you can leave her anytime and she is not your first priority, she starts appreciating you more. But when you start holding a red carpet for her, it gives her a feeling that you don't hold any value. And always remember this, women don't like low value men. They always prefer men who shows he holds value by his action. In movies, they mostly show that a woman is going up and men are trying to hang on to her. But in reality, the story of attraction is different. Women never feel attraction towards guys who are trying to hang on to her, who are acting very kind and generous. In reality, women like to hang on to a guy who is going up. Look at this. This is a woman and this is a man. In movies and TV, mostly they show you that woman is going up and all these men are trying hard to catch a hold of this woman. But in reality, it doesn't work like this. In reality, it works totally opposite of it. In reality, man is going up and women like to catch a hold of the guys who are going up in their life. In reality, if by your action you can give her a feeling that you hold more value than her and you don't need her, you are already complete and happy even without her, she will come chase you.